So this time guys, I'm gonna give the vitamins. So ito po yung vitamins na ginagamit ko for afternoon. So this is a Vitamin Pro. So ito siya guys, 1 scoop lang siya. So ipipid na natin sa ating chicken layered. So ayun na guys, finish na akong feed na aking chicken layer. Then yeah, also the vitamins. Then now I already prepared the goat food. So ito po yung food ni Jackie, yung male goat namin guys. Separate na namin yung food nila. Then sa girl naman, yung ka-DC and ka-husband, this one. So meron talaga silang mga name. So ito lang, this is the new food ni DC and husband for the female goat. Kailangan siya nutrients for Jackie, for the male. Kay mama ko nun nag-recommend basta girl dapat ito daw ang kailangan siya nutrients. Ito po yung pang female goat. And this one. So now it's already 4 p.m. so I'm gonna go pick up them. So let's go. So ayun guys, ito yung lugar namin dito sa province here, living simple life. Yeah, dito. So ito yung daily routine ko guys. Every morning just woke up early, clean the chicken house, feed the goat, clean the goat house like that, and washing. Yeah, it's like wife material. Yeah, it's more than wife materials na ako dito guys. So ito pa lang yung mga goat namin. Tatlo lang siya, but they are already big now. Here. Ayan. So this is let me check. So this is Jackie. This is Bior, but baby pa siya kaya hindi siya malaki. This one half Anglo. Hasmin. Hi Hasmin. Say hi to my vlog. Uy, say hi to my vlog. Very This is Hasmin. And half Anglo. Then yung white is Bior. It's very expensive, that goat, even though baby. I bought that 5K. Oh my goodness. This one, hi. You're always fighting. Wait, wala pa si DC, pabutas DC. And this is Walter, baby. Favorite niya si Daisy. So ito yung bibi niya nga, Daisy. Wag nyo anuhin to kasi lagot kayo ni Walter kapag sasaktan nyo tong got na ito kasi love to niya love to ni palangging niya hang goat nga si Daisy. Hi, what are you doing guys? Okay, let's go home. Yeah. Okay, ayan na sila. Okay, yan. Nauna pa sa akin, guys. Ito yung life namin din sa bukid, guys. Finish na si Jackie sa iyang food, but there's two. Oh, konti lang kinain niyo. Ayan. Oh, sige na. Ikaw na. Mo ninyo food ninyo. Very healthy ni, kinani siya nutrients. Ikaw. Ang kaon pag di kani. You have own food. This is for Daisy only. Ay! Hoy! Ayaw dia kay ma. Samad ka ni. La Hasmin, ngano man ka? Diri. Ayaw, pundo na, pundo. Dire, na kay mo dire. Ikaw hap, ikaw. Bad ka. Yan na. Na, may pas Jackie, kusog siya mukhaon na ni nga food. Na. Dili kaayo, ang si Jackie nun, kusog mukhaon.